Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Apple ID error description not available, can't create account in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure of one thing, that your internet connection is stable and fast. You can try this particular method if you feel that the internet is not stable. First of all, you can try switching between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. You can also then turn on and off the airplane mode, and then you can try creating the Apple ID again. Now, even after doing this, the issue still persists. You can just simply set the correct date and time. For that, inside the settings, you just have to look for the option of general. Inside general, look for the option of date and time. When you are inside date and time, make sure that this particular option that says set automatically is turned on. Now, the wrong date and time can also block Apple servers and cause this particular error. Now, sometimes your current network is blocked or restricted, so you can try creating the Apple ID using another Wi-Fi or using different device or web browser. This is also going to solve the hidden network issues. If you are using any kind of VPNs or proxy websites or applications, make sure that you turn these off. Apple may block the account creation if it detects different region or suspicious IP. So always use your real location network. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.